Hello, this is Jackie with JNN Reviews, and today I am very excited to talk about L's Nutrition. So it's a plant-based super cereal, and I like it because it's organic, it doesn't have any dairy or soy, it doesn't have gluten, it doesn't have corn syrup, and it's a non-GMO. So this is the mango flavor, and what you want to do is mix it with milk, breast formula, or water, and you're going to put around 3 spoons. This is how it looks. 3 spoons, mix it well, and feed it to your child. This is for 6 months plus, and it has a delicious taste. It has a light taste of a mango, and as you can see here, the 3 tablespoonfuls are 60 calories, and it has protein, vitamins, and minerals. So as a mom, I feel that it offers a complete nutrition to the child. I feel very comfortable feeding it to my child. He likes it, I like it, and I hope you like it too. Thank you for watching my video.